Pakistani Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif said on Wednesday that the Koroट hydropower project, a major pilot project under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, will generate environment-friendly and cheap electricity, promoting green development in Pakistan. Sharif made the remarks while speaking to the engineers and workers of the hydropower project during his visit. The Koroट hydropower project is expected to annually generate some 3.2 billion kilowatt-hours of clean electricity once put into operation, reducing 3.5 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions per year, and meeting the power demand of about 5 million local population. The project would be operational soon and play a positive role by producing 720 megawatt of clean energy and in turn boosting the economy of the country, said the Prime Minister, adding that Chinese and Pakistani workers are working hard together to secure an early completion of the project.
Koroट project, which is a wonderful project. I've gone through important works here. I've seen the tunnel, I've seen the turbines, and I think it's a great work done by three gorges, and this part of the project being part of CPEC is another addition, and I have no doubt in my mind that there will be many more such hydel power projects we will build through joint cooperation, and this friendship between China and Pakistan will further strengthen, and we will move forward, making Pakistan a progressive and prosperous society in time to come. We shall not waste a moment to further cement our friendship, our brotherhood, and like what China has become, the second largest economy around the globe, nothing only through hard work and dint of hard work and untiring effort, sacrifice, and of course through modern technology and technique, and of course through wonderful innovations. And I think let's march with unity and thought of action, and I'm sure we'll be there somewhere down the line where China is today. It is easier said than done, but Chinese model we have to emulate.
Invested by the China Three Gorges Corporation, the Koroट hydropower project in Pakistan's eastern Punjab province is the fourth level of the 5 cascade hydropower stations planned for the Jhelum River.